Friends, I'm Prem. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the modern era technology which is using in the agriculture plantation. So we already know that how the technology has changing the entire society and the entire industry as well. So especially we talk about artificial intelligence, AI technology, which is bring a massive changes in all the field. For example, manufacturing field, sectors of technological field, and education field as well. So especially in the education field, the recent launch of the chat GPT has increasing the complete productivity of the students. So only this field will also impact the agriculture plantation in near future. So let's we talk about the method and how this AI can increase in the productivity of crops in the agriculture plantation. So especially usage of artificial intelligence tools, for example, the drone technology, the satellite technology, and the robotic technology. So these collective technology using to increasing the productivity and optimize the crop yield. Not only that, it can help to predict the weather condition and the soil health condition, and moreover, the automation of robotic technology, which is helpful for the harvesting process, and that will help to reduce the cost of the labor. The artificial intelligence has a potential to increasing the productivity, sustainability, and so many benefits by using the artificial intelligence tool. This information helps you. So thanks for watching. Bye.